Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel function health membership. Okay, so as you know, if you have taken any membership you have to pay $365 per year. Okay, so if you don't want their membership, so how you can cancel? So basically cancellation is very easy, and what you have to do before cancellation, you need to provide at least 5 days notice period. Okay, because they will take 5 business days to process your request. Okay, and if we talk about like how to cancel your membership, you need to visit on this link myfunctionhealth.com. This is the official website, and this is the page of your membership. That's why they have insert like myfunctionhealth.com. Okay, so you need to visit on this page, and once you are on this page, this kind of window you will see. You need to log in into your account and you can cancel your subscription. It will directly, you can like redirect you on their membership, on your membership account page. Okay, and if this method is little bit, you can like, if you're thinking this method is little bit hard, you are not able to do this thing and you are not a technical person, so in that case what you can do, you can compose an email. The email format is like very easy. You can take a screenshot of this page or you can compose another email by using ChatGPT. And once you done the email, in the subject box you need to provide like I want to cancel my function health membership, and the email you need to, in the email you need to provide your subscription detail, membership starting date, your email account, each and everything you need to provide, and reason for cancellation, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation. Once your email is done, you need to send this email at their email address, and the email address is you can see over here. You need to send their email at this email address. I want to show you like this is the email. There is hello@functionhealth.com. you need to send your email at this email address. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will reply you very soon, and it will take at least 5 days. If you don't get any kind of reply from their side, it means your membership is not cancelled. You need to keep in touch with their customer support team until you don't get proof of cancellation. Okay, so if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.